Today I'm going to be showing you how to make pop-up cards. These are the materials you're going to need. You're going to need some paper, some scissors, some glue, something to make colour, so coloured crayons, felt tips or coloured pens, or even potentially paints. If you've got a ruler and you want to be very specific and particular about it, that's an option. And if you're wanting to post them, an envelope might be helpful. But I'll be showing you how to do it by eye as well if you don't have some of these materials. So these are some of the examples that I've made already. So this is what the card looks like, and then when you open it up, it pops out. So that one says happy. I've also got one over here I made earlier, which says smile. And they fit in an envelope so you can post them to friends or family that you can't see at the moment. So today I'll be showing you how to make a love card, but what's on the card is sort of up to you. You can make it however you want. So we're going to start by making the card, and for that we're going to need a piece of paper or card. This is an A4 piece of paper. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start by cutting this in half because it's too big for the card I want. So lining up the corners, make it nice and straight, bend down one side, and then cut it along that line that I've just made. So now I have a piece of card that I'm going to fold in half again to make the right size. Now if you've got an envelope you're using, you can just check that it's the right size so that it fits inside it. And we're going to start by making our pop-up folds. So this is my card. Using this line where I've bent it, the fold in the card, I'm going to cut in little slits that will then bend forward. So I can either use a ruler here and measure it out, or if you don't have a ruler, you can just do it by eye. So we're doing the word love, so that's 4 letters. So we want 4 little slots. We want to make them around about 1 centimetre wide, and we want to make them fairly equal distance apart. This doesn't have to be perfect, it's just to give an idea. I'll show you how it changes depending on where you put these. So having made these little marks so I know where to cut, I'm just going to cut in. I want to go a few centimetres, maybe 3 or 4 or 5 centimetres up, and I kind of want to make them all the same size. So there I've got my 4 slits. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up, and then I'm going to bend them the other way round from the inside. So it's just pushing them from the back so that they come forward. And then once they're all forward, oh, one there, I'm going to close my card again. Just pressing down on these bits to make folds. Now you can see when I open, I have these bits that come forward, and they're going to be my pop-up. You can see how they all sort of come forward to roughly the same amount. But you can also do them so that they come out and they're very different sort of lengths and sizes and spacings, and that will affect how different your pop-up looks. So for now, I'm going to show you how to make them all the same, but at the end I'll show you how different it can come out. So put them all to one side, and we'll start by making some textures now. So now I've just got another piece of paper, and I'm going to start by making my coloured paper because I don't have any here at the moment. So I'm just going to take this piece of paper and I'm going to cover it in colour. And what we want to do is have lots of different options in terms of texture. So for example, I've just done a scribble there in red. I'm using red just because the word love, but you can use any colours. Going to use some paints here to give a different sort of effect. So the idea is you want to just fill this page with lots of different textures and colours. I've done a bit of paint there. I'm also going to try potentially doing some flicking. So once you're done, you should have a piece of paper with lots of different textures and colours on it. And this is what we're going to use to create our letters. So I'm just having a look here and I'm looking at bits that I quite like, and I'm going to draw out my letters. So I'm working with the word love, and what I'm doing is I'm drawing these out here. I'm choosing bits that I like the look of. And I'm just drawing out the letters. So now I've drawn out my letters, I'm going to get my scissors and I'm going to cut them out. So as you can see here, I've just cut out my letters from my nice textured coloured pieces. I'm just going to show you a bit of a trick, because obviously we've got here an O and it's quite difficult to cut out the middle of the O. But one trick to do this is to fold the piece in half and then cut half a circle, so a semicircle. And then open it back out again, and you'll see I have an O with a hole in now. I've cut inside the black lines so that they don't feature. I'm going to keep my scrap piece of paper because I might be wanting to use some of these little pieces later to decorate my card. And then I'm going to get out my pop-up that I made earlier. And what I have is I have a pop-up per letter. So remember, we're working with the word love. We have 4 letters, we have 4 little pop-ups. I'm just going to put a little bit on each of my pop-ups and stick down my letter. So once you've put a little bit of glue on and stuck each of your letters on your little pop-up flaps, you can use any glue. You can use PVA, you can use Pritt stick, whatever you've got at home. And you can see how when I open my card, the letters pop out. Now, this card I'm going to send to maybe some family or some friends I haven't seen in a while. And because it says love, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these little scraps that I've got here and cut out some hearts to stick around it. So as you can see, I've cut out lots of different heart shapes, different sizes from my different pieces of textured and coloured paper. And I'm going to use some glue and I'm just going to stick them down wherever I think looks nice on my card. And I don't have to stick them all down. Some of them I can leave as confetti so that they sort of fall out when the card is opened. And you don't have to do hearts, you can do whatever you want to decorate your card. And then what I do is I close that up. You can always write here or write on the outside. And finally what I'm going to show you is, so as you remember, we did all of these the same distance and thickness and height when we cut into them. So as you can see here, if you, for example, make some bigger, others smaller, and space them around a bit, it affects how it pops out. So this just says joy. You could use drawings, you could draw little people, little pictures and put them down. So I hope you've enjoyed this pop-up card workshop. Do share any photos of anything that you've made so that we can see it. And well done, and hopefully I'll see you again for the next one.